We come to KnowledgeFest to show like our latest technology to our dealers, and some of those things would be CarPlay receivers, Android Auto receivers, wireless receivers. Wireless is a big thing right now.
Yeah.
And also dash cams. We've got some new dash cameras that we're introducing for driver assist, driver safety.
Such as this very nice little one that I'm holding. And of course, we'll do more talking about it and its information and other products that Kenwood is showing here at KnowledgeFest with the full video, and Seth joining us as well when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. I'm Dave Graveline for Into Tomorrow. Don't miss a minute of this week's 3-hour broadcast.